If you are a YouTube creator and you want to understand how to improve your videos, YouTube Studio is one of the most important tools you can use. In this video, I am going to show you some useful features inside YouTube Studio, including analytics, title, A/B testing, audience insights, trendings, channel keywords, and scheduling. So let's get started. First, this is the YouTube Studio dashboard. This is basically the control center for your channel. From here, you can quickly see how your channel and recent videos are performing. But to get more detailed information, let's go into the content section. Inside the content section, you can see information about your videos and how viewers are interacting with them. The overview graph gives you a quick look at your channel's performance. Over selected period, you can use this information to understand whether your views and overall performance are increasing, decreasing, or staying consistent. Analytics are more important because they help you make decisions based on actual data instead of simply guessing. Now let's move on to something really useful for creators: A/B testing. Here, I'm testing 3 different titles for the same video. Each title is written slightly differently, but they all accurately describe what the video is about. The idea behind testing is simple. Instead of immediately deciding which title is best, you can compare different versions of learn which one performs better. This can help you improve the way you present your videos without changing the actual content. Next, we have the video description. Should explain what your video is about and can also include useful information, links, or other detail for your viewers. For this video, I already prepared my description, so I am going to copy and paste it into the description box. Keep your description relevant to the actual video instead of filling it with random keywords. Now let's look at the audience tab. This section can help you understand your viewers and how they interact with YouTube. One useful report is the graph showing when your viewers are on YouTube. This can give you an of when your audience is most active, which can be useful when planning for your uploads. But remember, there isn't one perfect upload time for every channel. Your own audience data is much more useful than copying another creator's schedule. Next, we have this trending section. This can help you discover topics that your audience may be interested in, and it can give you idea for future videos. You may also find information about channels and content related to your audience interests. Don't simply copy another creators. Use these insights to find an idea and then create your own useful version. Now let's go into the settings and look at the channel keywords. Here, I'm adding keywords that actually describe a channel and type of content I create, such as YouTube tutorials, tech tutorials, AI tools, and creator tips. Make sure your keywords are relevant to your channel and then save your changes. Finally, let's schedule our video. Under visibility, we can choose schedule. Instead of publishing immediately, we can select the date and time when we want the video go public, and that's it. Use your analytics, understand your audience, test your ideas, and keep improving with every upload. Subscribe for possible uploads for more YouTube, AI, and tech tutorials. Peace out.